Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 24 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. Now we're currently at 3,508 active listings that are running on our store. Let's go and check out our orders page. I think we had 4 sales that came in today. Okay, so one, which is 63.60 plus a $20 postage fee, 116.60 plus a $20, 21.60 and 20.40. When you look at the profits, there's around $80 profit out of these 4 orders that came in on the 13th of April. So with 4 orders, we're able to generate $80 profit. That's a lot of money for 4 orders. All right, moving on, let's go ahead and check our traffic. Okay, so we are very close to 4.5 million impressions, followed by 6,138 listing views. And our quantity sold is 55 minus the 4 that came in the next day. Our click-through rate is getting stable at 0.1%, while our conversion rate is at 1%. Now let's go and check out our listing views. We are looking around 300 something-ish listing views, a little bit above 300. And let's go to quantity sold. It says 4 promoted and 1 organic, but when I looked at it, it was just 4 sales. So I'm not sure if this is an eBay fluke. They might have made a mistake, but we had 4 sales, okay? So as you guys can see, even though I was able to get rid of some of the listings that weren't performing, what ended up happening is it didn't reflect much on the sales. We are still getting about the same sales. In fact, our sales have gone up a little bit. Again, you don't want to have that stock in your store. You want to cycle through, recycle them through, look at the ones that are performing and get rid of the items that are not selling. And that's how you go ahead and improve your store. Make sure that you're keeping a track on your sales conversion rate. Make sure that you're looking at your click-through rate, your impression, your listing views, uploading trackings, and as you guys know, all of these things matter. Okay, without further ado, that is it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next upcoming video. Stay tuned, which is tomorrow. Take care.